To solve this data sufficiency question, we'll go ahead and consider each of the statements separately first and then together if needed. Before the statements, we want to determine if the probability of randomly selecting a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony is greater than 1/2. This probability is equal to the product of the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment and the probability of selecting an apartment with a balcony. Since each probability is less than 1, the product of the probabilities must be less than either probability alone. Statement 1. We're given that 40 of the 48 apartments have 2 bedrooms, so the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment is 40 divided by 48, which simplifies to 5/6. Now let's suppose, in a couple test cases, first let's suppose 40 apartments have a balcony. Then the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony is 5/6 times 40 over 48, which equals 25 over 36. And this is greater than 1/2. So the answer to the question here would be yes. But let's consider another case. If 4 apartments have a balcony, then the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony is 5/6 times 4 out of 48. And if we simplify this, we'll end up with 5 over 72. And this is less than 1/2. So the answer to the question is no for this case. Since we can't definitively answer the question, this statement alone is not sufficient. We can eliminate answer choice A and D. Moving on, we need to consider statement 1 or statement 2, right? We just did statement 1, so we need to go ahead and consider statement 2 alone. Let's just go ahead and scroll down for that, leaving statement 2 visible so we can still see it. Let's consider statement 2. For statement 2, we're given that 30 of the 48 apartments have a balcony. So the probability of selecting an apartment with a balcony is 30 divided by 48, which equals 5/8. And we have a similar thing going on as we did last time. Let's go ahead and test some cases. So first let's suppose 45 apartments have 2 bedrooms. Then the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony is 45 out of 48 times 5 over 8. And this would equal 75 over 128. This is greater than 1/2, so the answer to the question would be yes for this case. Scrolling down a little bit for some more room, let's suppose, what if 24 apartments have 2 bedrooms? Then the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony is 24 divided by 48 times 5 divided by 8, which equals 5 divided by 16, and this is not greater than 1/2. So the answer to this question would be no. And by the same logic as last time, this statement alone is not sufficient. So if we scroll up, we can actually eliminate answer choice B. Statement 2 alone is not sufficient. As a last resort, we need to combine both statements. So scrolling down a little bit for some more space, we're combining statements 1 and 2. We can determine the probability of selecting a 2-bedroom apartment with a balcony by finding the product of each separate probability. Both statements together will be sufficient then. So we can actually eliminate answer choice E, and the correct answer is answer choice C. Both statements together will be sufficient, but neither statement alone is sufficient.